Today, we are doing some activities that improves the brain balance and coordination through concentration. In the first activity, draw a design and its mirror image and ask a child to follow both the patterns together. As you know, the brain is divided into two hemispheres. Although both the parts of the brain have their own speciality, they do not work individually. This activity uses concentration as a tool to strengthen the coordination between the two hemispheres. As you can see, the child struggles to perform this till certain age. This struggle indicates the conflict happening between the parts of the brain to build stronger passage of nerve fiber between the lobes. In the second activity, draw a hollow space in any pattern and ask the kid to draw a line in the space without touching the margins. This activity needs intense concentration to follow the line. It also increases the coordination between the eyes and the hands. To complicate this, you can decrease the tracing space and also increase the complexity of the shape. The curves will be more difficult to trace than the angles. In the third activity, blindfold your child and ask them to follow simple instructions of motion, like to turn right, turn left, take a step back, take a step ahead, turn around, etc. The blindfold takes away the strongest sense of sight. The child has to concentrate to understand their space and the movement of their body. It also builds a sense of direction. This helps strengthen their reaction to auditory instructions. Again, this is a lot more difficult than it looks, but at the same time, it's fun for both kids and parents. Turn around, turn to your right, take a step ahead, one more step ahead, say goodbye.